Maintenance at Magnolia Beach. That's why this campground is very good. You get free camping, free showers, and they also maintain it. So I don't know, that's probably why the grass doesn't grow too tall, because they regularly cut it with mower. And today it's very windy and it's cold. It's in the 50s, and I'm staying inside right now. And I just saw this guy earlier and I didn't take a video, but now I said, oh, maybe I should take a video. This should be one of those short video in the shorts. I also have some shorts videos or short videos, so we should just add this as one of them, just to show this well-maintained campground. I am back here to the Magnolia Beach, my favorite spot. I was able to get this yesterday, and I stayed here because maybe it was yesterday it wasn't very crowded because it's too cold and windy. So maybe it's good for me because last time I was here I have to go to the other campground 2 miles from here in Dianola, and here it's closer because I like it better here because we're close to the free shower. So I'm camped right here. The shower is only like 3 picnic tables away, and this is still a good place to camp, in my opinion, even though it's very windy now. Maybe in a few days it'll be less windy and I will have my spot right here, not moving until I need to move. Maybe next week when I have to go get more supplies, but for now I'm good with my food. I really don't need to move unless I have to try to get more variety for my food, but for today I'm fine. So that's my update. See ya, bye.